In today's video, let me show you how to use Microsoft Teams on your phone. So this is going to be a straightforward process. All you want to do is, first of all, make sure you download this application by heading over to the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device, and just search for Teams or Microsoft Teams, and you should be able to see this application. Make sure you download it. Once the app has been downloaded, all you need to do is open up the platform and make sure that you either sign in or sign up if you already don't have an account. If you already do have an account, and once you sign in, you'll be able to see this interface. Now this is going to be pretty much similar as you use on the desktop. All of your chat is going to be inside of the chat section. All of your calendars or meetings are going to be in the calendar section, and if you're trying to join any meeting, you can just tap on the meet option, or you can also join using some of the IDs. If you want to change your status, you can also do that from the profile icon. Tap on the available option and you can change to all other options as well. As you can see, you can head over to settings and manage any sort of other settings that you would like to change for your Microsoft Teams. So that's pretty much all for today's video. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.